If you can get these 3 things right, you'll be completely set up to sell on TikTok Shop this year and make millions of dollars with your e-com brand. In this video, I'm going to take what I learned from scaling my own brand to 6 figures per month and helping over 250 other brands sell a combined $15 million per month on TikTok Shop and condense it into a 3-part framework that I'd want to use if I was getting started on TikTok Shop today. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner, intermediate, or advanced seller. This is going to help shave off hours of time implementing systems that will directly get results on the platform. Let's jump into it. In level 1, we're going to build our foundation. To succeed on TikTok Shop, there's a few key components that we need to do before we can really start selling. First and foremost, we need to build our product listing. They need to have engaging titles and descriptions, as well as high quality images that are going to resonate with our customers. We need to be experimenting in the affiliate center, messing around with everything there is to offer within TikTok Shop, because launching on any new platform is very daunting. There's a lot of information that needs to be taken in, and the best way to get started is simply by going in and clicking on everything. Start looking at affiliates, start speaking with affiliates, invite target plans, DMs every single day when you're getting started. Even if you don't end up actually sending samples to most of them, it's really important to start looking at the metrics, start speaking with them, familiarize yourself with the entire platform as a whole. So when we do start scaling up, we're not getting lost within the platform. The next thing to do is identify your first product to sell. If you have a catalog of a bunch of different products that you're looking to sell and onboard on TikTok Shop, or whether you're a brand new seller, you haven't sold anything within the e-commerce world before, and you're looking to pick some products to sell, it's incredibly important to pick one product. Do not spread yourself too thin across multiple products. And I can tell you, the TikTok Shop team, their entire job is to onboard huge brands onto the platform. And these brands have hundreds and hundreds of products. Yet the first thing that rep will tell that brand is start with one product. The reason being, you need affiliates to effectively sell on TikTok. They drive 90% of the revenue for top shops on the platform. But how do you attract affiliates? Affiliates want to work with products that they can make money on. And an indicator that that product can make money for an affiliate is sales and reviews. If you're trying to build up one listing, it may take you a month to get enough sales and reviews to attract good affiliates. But if you're trying to do 6 listings, maybe it takes you 6 months building those listings at the same time to attract those same good affiliates. Send 3 free samples out. This is really important when you're getting started, and these samples may amount to absolutely nothing. But I want you to message enough affiliates that you get 3 quality samples sent out. These affiliates should be at least $100 in GMV in the last 30 days, and you should be able to communicate with them. So they should at least be responding to your DMs. Start to talk to them and start to understand what it's like to actually work with these people. Affiliates are going to be the driver of your business. That's how you're going to hit 6 figures per month, 7 figures per month. But you need to start at the beginning. Just send out 3 free samples. And yes, you may be lighting this money on fire to begin with, but it's really important that you start to learn how to message and manage your affiliates properly. So for level 2, we've built our foundation. You're familiarized with TikTok Shop as a platform. You've started working with some affiliates, and now we're really ready to scale. What are we going to do to scale? The first thing is we need to start utilizing all of the messages available to us in terms of affiliate outreach. If you're a new shop, you'll have 2,000 messages per week to send out. You need to be sending all 2,000 of those messages, because when you're a new shop, you'll probably only see about 1% of those, or 20 affiliates, actually turn into sample requests each and every week. So we need to be using absolutely all of our messaging so that we can be sending out as many samples as possible to good quality creators. The next thing we want to do is affiliate poaching. We want to look who is selling well for our competitors, and can we get them to sell for our brand? Whenever I'm launching a new shop or helping a new shop launch, I always tell them, go find your top 15 competitors and take their top 15 affiliates. That'll give you a list of 225 people. Go message each and every one of those people and see if you can bring them on to your brand. They're already proven to sell a similar product. They can convert for you do if given the opportunity. They just need a good enough offer. If they're getting 15% commission, give them 30. We don't really care about profit margins in the beginning. We're trying to build up our listing so that it's really, really attractive for affiliates. If you have really low sales, really low reviews, what can we do to make it more attractive is we can increase that commission. And as we increase the sales and increase the reviews, you can bring that commission back down and get really, really profitable. And last but not least, we want to be investing in retainers. Now, what I mean by retainers is paying the affiliates on top of the commission they're getting for a certain amount of videos per month. I'd recommend doing between 15 and 30 videos a month for each affiliate. Now, you can pay somebody around $500 for 30 videos plus commission. And what that gets you is the ability to test different content styles, because you're going to actually be able to tell them, hey, I'd like to test the first 5 videos with unboxings, the second 5 with tutorials, and the last 5 will be reviews. Now you can start to see what type of content is performing best. Additionally, you can provide them with much more insights in the beginning for them to recreate. You can take the top performing videos from your competitors, send them to those retained affiliates, and then have them recreate those videos. This is a great way to get your listing off the ground and really give it some legs really, really quickly. Level 3 is going to be getting smart. This is where we're going to leverage tools and systems to scale without wasting all of your time sending messages or managing headaches, tracking results, and all of the boring, tedious stuff that unfortunately comes with TikTok Shop. The first key action here is going to be leveraging Uptick.io. This is how you're going to scale your messaging and send those 2,000 messages per week up to 4,000 messages per day to affiliates without actually doing it manually. And it's also how you're going to efficiently track the ROI of your videos, collect Spark ads codes efficiently, and keep in touch with your affiliates at every stage of their journey with your brand. So what does this look like? Automatically sending them top performing videos from other creators as soon as the samples ship to them. That looks like sending them a congratulations message as soon as they get their first sale. Now, all of these touch points can be completely automated, as well as the affiliate outreach within Uptick's system. The next step is to focus on retention. We need to make sure that these affiliates aren't just making one video for the brand. They need to be coming back to make multiple videos. Where TikTok Shop gets difficult is when creators, after investing your time, your money into sending out a sample, you just get one low quality video in return. We need to be ensuring that creators are coming back and posting multiple videos. If we can encourage them by telling them, hey, if you post 5 videos this month, you'll get a bonus 5% commission. It's all about structuring things and incentives and bonuses and rewards with your affiliates so that they deliver multiple pieces of content. If you're investing in the sample, cost of goods, and shipping, and you're getting multiple videos instead of just one, you're going to find it so much easier to effectively scale on the platform. Finally, after you've scaled your first product, now it's time to launch more products. Now we can start looking at what other products do we feel have the same viral potential for TikTok Shop, and how can we take the affiliates who have already performed with our first product and onboard them to our new product. Just like in the beginning with our initial product, we need to make all new products appealing for those affiliates. So obviously they don't have sales, reviews yet. We can bump up that commission and offer that to all of our previous affiliates. That's going to be the quickest way to now jumpstart and put some life into all of our new products. And we can do this systematically and really, really carefully so that we don't spread ourselves too thin, but that we are scaling our entire shop. Now that's pretty much what I would do if I was just starting. But truthfully, this is a bit oversimplified. And if you want to use TikTok Shop to sell as many products as you can as profitably as possible, you need to have the right strategy to do that. So click here to check out the next video where I give you a complete walkthrough of the strategy you can use to sell on TikTok Shop using affiliates. So you can learn how to grow and scale TikTok Shop into one of, if not your most scalable and profitable sales channels. I'll see you in the next one.